Hello there, very good morning to you. Well, it was a high tide this morning, over 12.3 metres, so actually the highest of the year in fact. We expect a very low tide later on today as well. In terms of the rest of the weather, well, blustery and grey. Some drizzle at times too, but that rain shouldn't be too heavy or persistent. Tomorrow as well, temperatures going up and more bright weather and sunshine too. So this was a satellite this morning, not much in the way of brightness for us today. Maybe that cloud will ease up a bit at times for a glimmer of brightness, but largely grey. As I said, patchy rain and drizzle, and those winds moderate force 4 to a fresh force 5 coming from the southwesterly direction. Temperatures actually a similar feel to yesterday with highs of 11 and 12 degrees, but under that grey cloud, not feeling too pleasant out there really. As we head into this evening then, it will be mainly cloudy, perhaps some clear spells at times, and the winds staying at a moderate force 4 coming from the south. Temperature wise though, a really mild night with minimums up to 10 degrees, so actually more what we'd expect for a daytime figure. So it will be a mild start tomorrow, but actually quite a different day in terms of it getting progressively brighter throughout the day, so we'll see some sunny spells, winds a bit calmer too, force 3 to a force 4, and temperatures right up, highs of 15 degrees in the likes of Jersey, so really feeling quite pleasant. Well, it has been a grey and drizzly theme today, and the sea really high too. The cars there almost submerged in the high spring tide earlier this morning. Now, there is actually a tide warning in place for tonight and tomorrow morning for Jersey and Guernsey, so do take care, and there could be some disruption along coastal roads. Now, in terms of what's in store for the rest of our weather going into tonight and tomorrow, it is going to be quite cloudy overnight, but a mild night in store and mild tomorrow, with temperatures actually well above average for this time of year. A different feel tomorrow. It's going to be largely dry and some bright sunshine, especially as we head into the afternoon. Back to the here and now then. Tonight, mainly cloudy. Any bright spells will be far and few between. Those winds moderate coming from a southwesterly direction. There could be a few pockets of rain or drizzle, maybe some mist and fog, particularly around Guernsey and Alderney. But it is a really mild night. Minimum temperatures 9 or 10 degrees, so actually more what we'd expect for a daytime figure. So it will be a mild start then tomorrow, and also a dry start. It is going to be getting gradually brighter as we head throughout the day. Plenty of sunshine once that initial cloud has cleared. And the wind's a bit calmer too, a light force 3 coming from the south. Temperatures, we're expecting highs of 15 degrees in Jersey, highs of 13 in Guernsey, so a really mild day in store, especially if you're in those sheltered areas along the north. It will really feel rather pleasant. Let's get our times of high water then. Between 8:30 in the morning and 9:10, that is when the tide warning is in place, so do take care. Later on between 8:50 and 9:30 with the sea temperature around 9.4 degrees. So looking at what's in store for the rest of our week, tomorrow and Thursday is when we have the dry, bright, settled weather. Winds picking up a little bit on Thursday and some wet weather arriving on Friday for a cloudier start to the weekend.